All right, so this is a brand new name. This used to be called the butterfly, but I just started realizing it does not look like a butterfly. So, yeah, let's familiarize ourselves. This is the first out of 3, so it's familiarization. So it's around these last 2 cones, cut across, just like the rabbit ears. Now it's around this cone all the way. Now it shoots towards the outside, and it's around everything, but I have to go in between these 2 cones right here, shoot to the outside, and then it's an exit. Okay, so then it's an exit, but where's the exit? Like, do I have to go, okay, I have to go around this cone. Okay, it's pretty much puts you in a natural position to exit. All right, so 25.39. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this again, warm up. So there we go. So around these 2, then it shoots to the outside. Then it's around that one. And then it's in between this one, and it's around everything. So I can cut this one probably pretty close. And then it's around this one. And then it's out. Okay, so I think I got it. I think I got it. So before, so 21.30. Okay, let's see if we can get to 19. Okay, so I know this first part, around this, around that, around this. Now it's in between these 2 cones, and that's really all I have to remember. Let's try to figure out what works for you. So around these, around this, and then it's in between these, and then around everything, in between that first cone and the second cone right here, and then it's to the outside cone, and then it's on the exit where I'm in a natural position to exit, so I don't have to think about it, and then I just go. Let's see, did we get 19? 19, baby! 19.4. I'll take the 0.4, it's almost 0.5, but hey, just start figuring it out. Familiarize, learn the first half, and then apply the second half.